Have you ever asked yourself how a tiny change in a living creature's body could lead to something completely new over time? Believe it or not, that's exactly how evolution works. And at the heart of it all is something called mutation. It's not some scary sci-fi word. In fact, mutation is just nature's way of introducing new ideas into the genetic blueprint of life. Let me explain it like this. Imagine you're copying a long book by hand, page after page, word after word. Now and then you make a small typo. Most of those typos don't matter, but every once in a while, you accidentally change a word in a way that actually makes the story better. That's what a mutation is, a tiny random change in the DNA code of a living organism. Most of the time it doesn't help or hurt. Sometimes it causes problems, but every now and then it gives the organism a helpful trait that helps it survive better in its environment. Let's say a rabbit is born with a slightly thicker coat of fur because of a mutation. If the weather suddenly gets colder, that rabbit might have a better chance of surviving than the others. That rabbit will go on to have babies, and if they inherit the same thick fur, they'll also have a better chance of survival. Over many generations, this small change becomes common and the whole population slowly evolves. Mutations are the raw material of evolution. They're completely random, like rolling a dice. But once a mutation appears, nature puts it to the test. If it helps, it sticks around. If it doesn't, it disappears over time. That's how we get all the variety of life we see today. From the colors of flowers, to the patterns on a butterfly's wings, to the shape of a bird's beak. Without mutation, evolution would have nothing to work with. Life would be frozen in place. But thanks to these tiny, unpredictable changes, life keeps moving forward, adjusting, improving, and branching out in incredible ways. So the next time you hear the word mutation, don't think of it as a mistake. Think of it as the spark that lights the fire of evolution.